subject of this video is the final test of the Roketsan Pusu weapon system. Roketsan, a Turkish defense industry company, has launched its first Pusu weapon system against an aerial target. The Shahed laser-guided missile used in the launch successfully hit the target, demonstrating the system's capabilities in the field. In the video you're watching, the secret laser-guided missile successfully hits the Shahed drone aerial target. To watch this and similar videos on defense, aviation, drones, and unmanned armed aircraft technologies, you can subscribe to our channel.